Hey, I know it's been a long time, guys, but welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to start off with a healthy breakfast. Key ingredient for our breakfast sandwich today is going to be a 90-second mug bread. These have been all the rave all over the keto and low carb communities. This morning I'm going to go ahead and make my version of this following Keto Nash's recipe. Got the recipe from Pinterest. So let's get into the ingredients. We're going to be using coconut flour, any natural sweetener of your choice, a little butter for your pan, 1 egg, coconut oil, heavy whipping cream, baking powder. These two are optional, vanilla extract, and some cinnamon. Okay, so let's get into it. It's fairly simple. 1 bowl, your mixing bowl, you pop that in the microwave and cook for 90 seconds, and then we're gonna grill it off to kind of toast it up. Okay, so I started off with our 1 egg, added that into the mixing bowl, and now I'm gonna go ahead and add in my heavy whipping cream. You need 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream. So this is just the Aldi's brand that I purchased. You can use any heavy whipping cream that you prefer. Okay, so this is 1/4 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Again, that is optional, but I do like the flavor of pure vanilla. I'm gonna add in my cinnamon. That's optional as well. And I did melt down some coconut oil. It calls for 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. So I melted it down in the microwave. So I'm gonna let it cool. Let's add the rest of our ingredients in. Okay. A pinch of salt. One-4 teaspoon of baking powder. All right, so what I'm doing is whisking my eggs a little bit before I add the coconut flour, because I want to make sure that it's mixed through completely. Okay, so my coconut oil has cooled. So 3 teaspoons or 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Okay, so I've added in my 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, and we've added in all of our ingredients. So you're just gonna whisk that all through and get your batter ready. Okay, so it's all mixed together, and we're gonna microwave it for 90 seconds. Let's see what happens. 90 seconds later, I went 10 seconds longer. Well, maybe 15 seconds longer, just to make sure that it was firm. But I made bread in the microwave. Okay, so I'm gonna let this cool. I have the rest of my breakfast to do: my eggs, my sausage patty, and coffee. So I'm gonna let this cool, then we're gonna slice it and then grill it up. But yes. Okay, so I have our breakfast sausage done, and I'm adding in 1 egg to my skillet. Okay, so it's cooled, and if you notice that it kind of shrunk in size a little bit, which is perfect because it's just the right size for your sausage patty. So you're gonna use a serrated knife and cut it in half. I have my skillet warming up, and I'm gonna add a little bit of coconut oil to the pan, and we're going to toast your bread up. So you can see that is bread. And it slices really easily. And it smells so good. That coconut flour smells really good. This side I did a little too thin, but we're gonna toast it till it's keep our fingers crossed. Okay, so I flipped my egg, and actually one egg is going to be split for 2 sandwiches. Okay, so you're just going to use whatever fat you choose in your pan. And you're just going to toast your keto bread on up. Okay, so as you see, it gets a really good toast on it. So I just flipped it over to do the other side, and then we're going to build our sandwich. So there are our sausage patties, and I split the egg in 2, and we're gonna build our sandwich. Okay, and we're done. Low carb breakfast sandwich.
Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment. And hit that bell on the way out to make sure that you are up to date on all of our latest videos. See you soon.